Very good afternoon, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 20 from 10th class. The topic is tangent and secants to a circle, which is from exercise 9.1. So let us discuss few assignment questions. The first one is prove that a line drawn through the end of a point of a radius and perpendicular to it, it is a tangent to the circle. Yes. So before going to that, so this is a figure relevant to the question. So take a circle with radius is OP and the center is O, and let's take this is XY. XY is a tangent. XY is a tangent. So which is passes through only one point on a circle. Let me take that point is P. So what is given? A circle with center O and OP is a radius and a line AB is perpendicular to OP. So now what we need to prove, try to prove, that is nothing but what point XY is. AB is a tangent to the circle at the point P. Let's take in the place of this one, let me take it as A as well as B. So AB is a tangent to a circle, given circle, and which is passes through a point that is P. So let's take, so we have to prove. Now from this, so take a point Q on this line AB, and which is must be lies outside the given circle. Okay, if the point Q which lies outside the circle, then the line AB which acts as tangent to a circle. So if the point Q which lies inside the circle, the line AB will act as secants to a circle. So that if the point Q other than P which lies on the line AB and the join a line from O to Q will intersect at one point on a circle, that point is nothing but what? Point R. So that if it is intersecting at one point R, so that we can take it as what? Here OR as well as OP both are radius. Let's take OR is a radius, and OP is also a radius, okay, both are radius. So that I can say that what? OR which is equivalent to what? OP, and one more thing, from this, if OP which is perpendicular to AB, because OP is the shortest distance, yes, and which is OP is the shortest distance. So I can say that what? OP which is perpendicular to line AB, that is tangent AB. Yes. Now we have to take, so these two are perpendicular to each other. No, let's take OP which is less than OQ. Whatever, if you take the radius OP which is less than this length OQ, from the figure I can say that what. So otherwise we can take OQ which is greater than OP. Next, here OP is the shortest distance. Yes, OP is the shortest distance. Yes, and the line AB which meets only one point P on a circle. So that line AB can act as a tangent to a circle. Here OP is shortest distance from center of a circle. So line AB which passes through only one point, that is P. So that line AB is nothing but what? Tangent to a circle. Let us move on to the second question. It is prove that the tangents to a circle at end point of a diameter are parallel. So let's take so what is given here? Let's take a circle with center O, and the RS as well as PQ both are tangents which can be drawn to a circle. And if you take point A and B, it is nothing but what? A diameter of a circle. Let's take, given that what is given, so take it as what? To PQ and PQ as well as RS. and PQ as well as RS. What we call it as? Those two are tangents. Tangents to a circle. Tangents to a circle. And AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. And from the concept, if you take this one, this diameter, radius of a circle which is perpendicular to the tangent can be drawn to a circle. So that if you take this one radius which is perpendicular to the given tangent. And one more thing, if you take AB, so AB is the diameter, yes, AB is the diameter and PQ is a tangent and RS also one tangent. What about this one? So if radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so let's take the diameter AB. AB also which is perpendicular to the tangent PQ. That is AB which is perpendicular to PQ. Which is perpendicular to what? PQ. Which is perpendicular to PQ. And also AB which is perpendicular to RS. AB which is perpendicular to RS. Which is perpendicular to RS. And from this, if you take angle PAB, if you join these 2 points can form a diameter. Angle PAB which is exactly 90 degrees. Angle PAB is equal to 90 degrees. And also what is angle between at point B? It is angle ABS also equal to 90 degrees. Angle ABS is also equal to 90 degrees. From this, if you take this one, angle PAB which is equal to angle ABS which is equal to 90 degrees. So that from this you can take, these two are alternative angles, okay, angles are alternative angles, that is from alternative angles, two alternative angles are equal. Two alternative angles are equal means what? What about this one? AP. So from that tangents. So two alternative interior angles are equal means what? Angle PAB equal to angle ABS. If these two angles are equal, so that these two tangents are parallel to each other. That is PQ which is parallel to, what about that one? RS, which is parallel to RS. And one more thing, what is given? So the given statement is, prove that the tangent to a circle at the end point of a diameter are parallel. That is, these two are line tangent PQ and tangent RS. These two are the end point of tangents to, which is passes through end point of a diameter. So from the concept, these two tangents are parallel to each other. That is PQ is parallel to RS. Let us move on to the next question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12 cm. Find the length of PQ. So we need to find what is the length of this tangent PQ. Okay. So from the given data is given the radius of circle is how much? 5 cm, and the distance between center of a circle to point outside the point, that is Q, which is 12 cm. Right? Given that yes, from triangle OPQ, so angle P is equal to how much? Angle OPQ can be taken as 90 degrees, because the radius of circle which is perpendicular to the given length of the tangent, so that angle OPQ will become 90 degrees. It will become 90 degrees. Yes. As we know, what about OP is given as how much? 5 cm, which is radius, and OQ is equal to how much? That is 12 cm. From right angle triangle OPQ, apply Pythagoras theorem. That is according to Pythagoras theorem. The square of hypotenuse equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. That can be taken as what? OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OP square plus PQ square. What is the value of OQ? Here OQ is nothing but what? 12 cm. 12 cm whole square, 12 whole square plus is equal to OP is equal to how much? This is 5 cm. That 5 square plus what is the value of PQ? This we don't know. Right, as it is PQ square. It will become how much? 144 is equal to 25 plus PQ square. This PQ square can be taken as what is the, if you send this 25 to this side, it will become 144 minus 25. So what about this one? PQ square is equal to, what is this difference? It is 190. 190. So what is the length of this tangent? Root of 119 centimeter. 119 centimeter. So let us move on to the fourth question. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. So which is 13 centimeter from center of the circle. The length of a tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. So what is the length of the tangent? It will become 12 centimeter. Find the radius of the given circle. Okay, is given these two dimensions. We have to find what is the radius of given circle. So let's take what is given. So given that OQ is the radius. OQ is a radius. OQ is radius, and the radius of a circle which is perpendicular to the given length of tangent. Length of tangent, that is OQ, which is perpendicular to QP, which is perpendicular to QP. If these two are perpendicular, means what about angle OQP? OQP is equal to 90 degrees. OQP is equal to 90 degrees. So it forms one right angle triangle. So according to from triangle OQP, according to Pythagoras theorem. So what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. That is OP square is equal to OQ square plus QP square. So what is the value of OP? This OP is nothing but what? 13 square. 13 square is equal to OQ, how much? We don't know. Write as it is. Plus what is the value of QP? That is length of tangent, 12 square. Let's simplify this one. It will become 169 is equal to OQ square plus what is the value of 12 square? It will become 144. Once send this 144 to this side, it will become 169 minus 144. So what is the difference between these two? OQ square is equal to, exactly it will become 25, perfect square. That is OQ square is equal to what? Can be written as what? 5 square. So that OQ is equal to 5 centimeters. So this OQ is nothing but what? It is the radius of a circle. So it can be applicable for one, can be determined from the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.